Hello there, and welcome back to International Fathers. I'm your host and your creator, Nelson L. Moody Sr. But we're still talking about representing yourself in court for custody of your child or children and or modified custody of your child or children. Whatever the case may be, you now have the terminology in previous videos of some of what you may hear from the judge, the master, and of course the attorney for the opposing side. Nevertheless, you have all your knowledge and you are well put together now. The intelligence that lies within you is yet to be seen. And starting off, when you get in the courtroom, let the judge know who you are with confidence, who you are. Number two, why you are here. You are here to file for custody of your child or children and or modify custody of your child or children. Nothing less, nothing more. And thirdly, your petition. Speak clear and concise with clarity to the judge. No butterflies in your stomach. Just speak, and he or she should listen to you, not just hear you. Because once again, a judge takes that oath to judge cases fairly, based upon the facts, the proof, evidence, pertinent information, and the witnesses. And we all know what the terms are now. We have learned them, the legal terms, and we also translate it into plain language. Therefore, there is no excuse as to why you, that father out there, representing yourself, should have. Listen carefully and be mindful that the judge may use just strictly terms on you. But you already know what they are by far. And all this is just the date. That first date that you come to court can be one of the most intimidating experiences in your lifetime. You have no clue of what's going to happen. You have no clue of what's going on. You have a clue of nothing except for you are there in front of a judge and the opposing side is there representing the opposing side. And you sitting there with no law degree, looking at them, looking at your paperwork, studying them, studying your paperwork, and thinking to yourself, I wonder what they're going to say. I wonder what they're going to do. Judge having a bad day, I could be totally messed up. The opposing attorney may have collaborated a bunch of lies just for you. He may have heard a lot of lies from the opposing side. However, you stand there with confidence, with no intimidation nowhere around you. Present your case. I am Mr. A. I am here because of I am seeking custody and or modification of a previous custody order in reference to my child or children. Let them know you're there for business. There ain't no game. None whatsoever. I am here for some serious business, and I hope that you, judge, and you opposing attorney understand that. Don't try to sugarcoat nothing. Don't try to water nothing down. We're here strictly for business. And we're going to focus on that issue at hand. And what serves the best for that child or children. That's why I'm here. I know the rules. I know the lingo. I know the language. I know the terminology. I know the phrases. The plain language, however you want to put it, I know it. So just bring it on. Some judge may look at you and say to him or herself, or they may say it to you indirectly. Who are you to come into my courtroom and tell me what the law is? Who are you coming into my courtroom telling me what the law is in reference to your case? I'm a school trained attorney. You don't have that behind you. You don't have nothing of law in you. Ain't gonna tell me what the rules are. You gonna tell me what the laws is. The policies. Annotated code books. You gonna tell me all of that? In my courtroom? Oh no, you don't. That's the look. That's the presence that some will project to you. But then you have that small percentage out there that will listen to you. And they can't say nothing else but good work. Yes, Mr. A, I'm listening to you. I hear what you're saying. And just go from there. If he or she is judging the case fairly, it is then you'll see some results. If not, if it's personal issues, a bad day, emotional issues that judge is going through for that particular morning, you may have a rough hill to climb. And it shouldn't be like that. Because once again, you heard me say it before, they take that oath to judge. The cases fairly, judging based upon. And then ignorance is no excuse to the law. Ignorance is no excuse to the law. And that they themselves should chew on it themselves. But that first date could be a nightmare for all. Not just you, that father out there that's representing yourself for custody of your child or children. Attitudes could flare up. Professionalism could just get out the whack. And everything just goes its own separate ways. Because remember, you're in a courtroom, which is supposed to maintain a standard, dignity, and professionalism at all times. As I said before, what you see on TV, the yelling, the embarrassing, the down talking by the judges on TV to the people in the court, that's a no-no. Courtrooms are serious. They're not funny. That judge have an ink pen, and at the stroke of it affects your life for the rest of your life. That first date, it can really be a shocker to you. And even though everything you have done is correct and right, that judge may never give you your props on the good work that you have done. But never give you your props on where you have come from. Your paperwork is right, and it's like an attorney prepared it for you. But you did it yourself. Inside your house, inside your car, inside your garage, in a park, wherever, you took the time to research and do all your paperwork and check it over and over again until it was right before you took it down to the post office. Get that stamp delivered, get that docket number, and you just sitting and you just waiting for your court date. And it can be something. Once again, this is Nelson Moody Sr., the host and creator of International Fathers. You are in the Nelson Moody Sr. Studios. To learn more about me and my books and my work, log on to www.nelsonlmoodysr.info. That's NELSONLMOODY.info. And once again, as always, fathers call those children, children call those fathers, fathers hug those children. Hug them, hug them, hug them. Children, hug those fathers. Leaving you again with Malachi 4 and 6. The hearts of the fathers to the children, the hearts of the children to the fathers. Until next time.